Hey guys, I'm gonna set up a bird smorgasbord uh, buffet. You know, I'm gonna start off with the need some water to the bird bath. And so after they're done peeing, they can enjoy the water. They can enjoy taking a dip in the bird bath. Well, this is not brush stuff. I'm feeding the birds. It's actually just filled up with some water. So like giving Fresca to the birds, that's not proper. Rice ass, that's not proper. No, just water. I don't want to see you drinking out of it. This is for the bird's ass, not for you to walk over and drink out of it. All right. Next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray down the poles with WD-40, and that's because that way we've been getting a lot of squirrels in the yard, and I'm afraid that they will climb up the poles to try and get the food. So I will spray down on the poles with WD-40, because if they climb up it, they will slide down. Or if they climb up it, they'll probably end up like taking it down because it's not really secured well. Alright, there's that one. WD-40 attached. When all squirrels will be able to climb up and get to the bird seeds. So next step will be to fill the houses with both the suets and bird seed. Sass, do you know who made that hole right there? Was it possibly you? That's alright. Side. And then the bird seed itself. Usually like 2 scoops of bird seed to a house. And also, if you use one of these buckets to store your bird seed, make sure you have a lid, because what will happen is mice can get into it, and I've seen it done before. It's not fun. Oh, so I do need one suet for that side. So I'm going to grab another suet here. We're gonna go this time. We're gonna go see that suet. When I was at Menards, they had a suet that was peanut butter suet. And the birds absolutely go crazy over that stuff, man. I don't keep it very long. There you go. Then close these birdos, attach it. And have the suet hanging from here. So then, we're going to take the 2 more, 2, 3, 5 more. See if I have enough. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just enough. All right. The receipt. We'll bring this empty bag over. There you go. Because you need a bag or take the empty suets away. Hot pepper suet. All right. Man, it's starting to get warm here. It's like September. Not being mean, but here, hot pepper suet, like I get the baby and birds eating the wine away halfway through the flight. All of a sudden they just explode with the hot pepper. But that's a bad thought. Hopefully that doesn't happen, guys. All right. Put this here. So the birds are like, hey, get out of the way, man. We're going to eat time, man. God dang it. Well, I'll be done front soon, guys. See one right there just flying away going, I can't eat any longer. Right now they're hanging over by that air conditioner. I'm sure they're all going, come on, hurry up. Get the food ready. Eat. My recommendation, if you're buying like bird seed, you go to Menards. I mean, they're decent place. But I recommend Farm Fleet. Go to Farm Fleet. They treat everyone very well. Oh, okay, I see why. This one. Here like this. And then this one can hang and this one I got one for red for the badgers, one blue for the brewers, and I got a green one somewhere, but I think the last storm that we had, like it was really bad and it blew everything away, including those. It was not fun. There's a video actually. I have check it out. Like it's about like the storm that we got one day. Like everything was blown away. Like we actually, in fact, our umbrella that we had in the backyard, blew away. It actually ended up in the neighbor's yard. That's how bad it was. The neighbors, unfortunately, got worse deal of it all. Besides, we were fortunate. They had like trees down and stuff, and thank God the trees didn't like hit anything in their house, like as far as his roof and stuff. Alright. I'm gonna call the bird soon. As soon as I get out of here, pick up everything. after pick it up after yourself, and then take a bag or something and bring it with you. Otherwise, the wind will blow around everywhere, and you know. Well, you might have. I don't. So we can watch the birds for a little bit. We'll grab a chair. We'll grab a beer. Watch the birds for a little bit. Alright, Jack, those birds, don't you harm those birds anymore, right? Okay, we're gonna come over. We're gonna actually eat that buffet that stuff. So just let them, okay? I know you want to like catch them, just kidding, but I know you're older and you don't care. Well, look at all the birds, like right by my window in the air conditioner. I don't know, do they not see this? I don't know. It's like, come on, guys. I set it up for you guys. Huh. One's actually looking like he's looking at it. The other one, I don't know what he's doing. He might actually be looking at it too. It's like, just go over there. Maybe I'm too close. I don't know. I have no idea. Come on, guys, go over there. Maybe they see this dog back here and like doesn't want to go anywhere near it, even though they don't know he's like blind. Huh. Oh well. I wonder if I'm too close. Because I'm standing up. So maybe if I pulled my chair back a little bit and just sit back and sit down. Oh, there goes Saskia. Around you. You know you're blind, buddy. Like, they don't know that. They think you're scary. Right? Oh. He doesn't care. He's gonna walk into it. There he goes, right there. He goes, I'm just gonna lay right here. And if the birds come close to me, that's their own fault. So, he is such a cute dog, so I guess it's alright. Yeah. He can just sit there all he wants. Especially, you know, in his old age, he's like, I don't care much. Wow, those are two brave birds on my window ledge because you know this mean dog looking dog, even though they probably don't know that he's blind. Of course, I'm saying it, and maybe the birds understand when I say Saskia is blind, cannot see those birds. But yeah, those birds, like, I don't know what's by my window. My window is like, I guess it's better than I thought it was. I thought my window needs help. Maybe it doesn't. The birds like it so much. Anyways, but there's food over here. Maybe they're just not hungry. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think, Seth? You think the birds are not hungry? Huh? What do you think? You care? Probably not, right? Yeah, you probably don't care. That's right. Yeah, that is so funny. That's what I set up anyways. I mean, watch tomorrow morning I'll come in and that thing will be completely gone. The water will probably still be in that thing unless the window is so strong. It blew the basin thing off. Other than that though, unless it rains, actually if it rains, that'll fill the water up more. But yeah, other than that, because in that base of that bird bath, what I have is filled with sand, play sand. We sell that at, wait for it, local farm fleet. Yeah, it's like $3 for a 50-pound bag of play sand. That's called play sand because the sand is intentionally for for kids if we do a sandbox. I don't think sandboxes are as popular as it was when I was growing up. I remember like I was jealous of my neighbor up the street here, or no, I'm sorry, down the street there, because he used to have a sandbox, and I remember like my good friend now, but at the time he was kind of a bully. Well, we were kids, so he actually would kick sand in people's faces and stuff and eyeballs and stuff. And then obviously grew out of that because realized that was not a right thing to do. And he's a really good guy, very good guy nowadays. But I can't remember that. Tim was his name. Yep. And these birds are probably not gonna like fly by, and maybe I am too close. I mean, I'm just sitting here. I'm not like, I don't know. Maybe I'll walk away, and if I can catch them, awesome. If not, not a big deal. Well, hopefully you guys enjoy that. I mean, even though nothing really happened except for told you what they do, use WD-40, spray those poles down, so that basically it makes it almost hard as heck for squirrels to climb up there and get those, and they will. They one time they reached over from the fence there, and they tried to grab one, and luckily it's far enough away from them they can't grab it. So if they jump from the fence, try to grab onto the pole, they'll fall because I sprayed it down with WD-40. I think, of course, I mean, I don't want the birds to slip off it, but it is what it is. Because they'll just actually climb, or the birds will fly into and grab hold of the suet part to eat. So the birds will be fine. So if you're worried about the birds, don't. They'll get to the food, but they're protected from the squirrels. The squirrels will not be able to climb up the pole. And if they try to do American Ninja Warrior style thing, they'll fall. Hopefully they don't get hurt while they fall, but they will fall. Oh, that's it, guys. Sorry, you're gonna actually see any birds eat well, you saw some birds, but not eating their food. So maybe if I walk away, they'll start. I wish I had it on video though. All right, take care. Thanks, guys.